The Ministry of Tourism and its agencies, specifically the Tourism Enhancement Fund and the Tourism Product Development Company, is pleased to be handing out these resilience kits to our vendors in collaboration with the Ministry of Health and our local authorities to ensure that our vendors keep safe, wear their masks, also sanitize the customers as they serve while they also make a living. We are pleased, very pleased to be associated with this project.
In this time of this pandemic, we thank CHEF and TPDCo for all the equipment that they have brought and bring for us to keep sanitized. Sanitize all the customers too, not you myself alone.